A host of mainly indigenous enterprises stressed to the burden of expensive credit in the domestic market may now have the option of venture capital, according to the Uganda Investment Authority.
We have about 12 confirmed venture capital or equity capital companies which came in to help talk to the Ugandans. This time we have the whole spread of Ugandan investors, from the SMEs to the large corporates, to see if they can take advantage of the money we are talking about.
The firms, who have disclosed availability of more than 300 billion shillings in what they are calling affordable capital, were participating at the second Private Equity and Venture Capital Conference here in Kampala.
So we don't only provide capital, but we have networks, wide networks. We can take them to new markets, we can take them to new businesses, we can help with the strategy and the planning, and also the processes and corporate governance, because that's what you want to do.
The European Union also discloses its chunk of 25 million euros that are being delivered for players in the agribusiness sector.
We'll be investing in companies between a range of 200,000 euros to 2 million euros, always taking only minority investments. We don't want to take ownership of the companies.
These avenues for capital injection are being floated at a time when a number of local borrowers are feeling the excess weight of interest rates of domestically sourced capital.
What controls interest rates, as you all know, two fundamentals, two major economic fundamentals. One of them is the fiscal deficit. The government continues to borrow, and the government here borrows a lot domestically. Our treasury bills are now actually very high. If you wanted to invest the portfolios, if you are here, the treasury bills are very high, and also they are attached to the CBR rate in the Bank of Uganda.
But a cross-section of the private sector leadership argue that the local market still has sufficient preparations to do ahead of accessing private equity and venture funds.
There are very few businesses that can absorb even $1 million in Uganda now, you see. So we are saying, okay, the concept of equity is excellent, but how do we ensure that we make our small-scale players ready to partner, to absorb, and to be able to work with people who have this kind of money?
Reina Ojon, NTV Business.